Well, here's the rain, and it really is raining.
Hey, come on here.
Yes, California monsoon weather.
This is desert living.
Absolutely insane. Yeah, my cats are cowered underneath the bed. Honey's comforting the kitten. Fern and just cowering here at my feet.
You know, this is the second one we've had in the last month and a half.
It just started raining only a couple minutes ago. And it is just...
It's my new method of watering the lawn.
Yeah. John doesn't have to water the lawn today.
There goes your $55 car wash.
Yeah.
With all the $40 on it from work too.
Oh my, the rain's getting in the house, Tom. Okay, we gotta go.
Turn.